Hey guys, I got the cameras installed. This is the SeQuro system, and I swear, out of all the reviews I've done, I can't be more impressed with this product here. Um, this camera system is really awesome. I'm not even joking with you. You can see that it emits like a infrared light, and you can see that it's picking me up really well sitting here filming and talking to you guys. And that's just with the camera spread out into 4 different cameras. I can touch the screen and it goes full screen, and like I said, this is the version with the 10-inch screen. And you can see this. You got to keep in mind, this is me filming the 10-inch screen with my phone. So, you know, the picture is not going to be absolutely perfect, but I guarantee you, if you're at home looking at the screen, the SeQuro security screen, you're going to be like, dang, that is a really good picture. It's high definition, it's 1080, and, you know, I'll just be honest, I couldn't be any happier with it. So, the cool thing about these cameras is you can adjust the brightness of the LEDs, the infrared LEDs, and you know, they have infinite adjustment. You can turn them, like if the ground is crooked and you want to straighten the picture up, you can adjust the cameras side to side, front to back, up and down. I mean, there's there's just so many different ways to adjust it and get your picture level, and like I said, the brightness as well. And I'm gonna switch it back to all 4, and as you can see, I only have 3 cameras hooked up. This is the one where I'm at now. This is the one at the back part of my house, right back there, and you can see it. And then this is the one that's in the back of my house, looking into my back door, and you can see my HVAC units right there. But what I'm going to do now is just put it on full screen. And this is the camera that's right back in there, and I'm going to take this around. And one cool thing about this this SeQuro unit with the screen is it's got a battery in it, so you can pick it up and take it around outside with you. So you can see, there's the camera, and you can see me in the picture right here. See me? I'll wave my leg. Let me see. Yeah, there's my leg. Now the I will say the cameras have maybe a half a second of delay, so the delay is really good on these. And one cool feature that I really like about these cameras is they have not only video, but they have audio too. So, you know, if you're putting these things out to where you're wanting to make sure nobody's breaking in your house, and your camera's recording, you can hear what they're saying. You know, if you got pesky neighbors that's being a pain in the ass, you can definitely hear what they're saying about you, because these cameras record audio. So I really like that, and they're really simple to install. I'm not going to turn the lights on and all that, but I'll show you in my next video during the day how I have these installed, and you guys are really going to be impressed at how simple it is. I know I am. So I can't wait to get camera number 4. I'm hooked on these things now. So the one thing that I will say that I want to get is a 2 terabyte hard drive, so I can put a lot of video on here, so I don't have to keep erasing it. I really don't know how fast this card's going to fill up, but if I had like a 1 or 2 terabyte hard drive to record to, that would give me plenty. So I'm really excited about getting one of those hard drives. Now I'm gonna walk down my stairs here on the back deck, and I'm gonna set this camera down or no, the monitor down. And here I'm gonna put the back camera full screen, and you can see me. I'm right up, walking up underneath my gazebo. And you can see the camera is right there, and the ladder's still right up under it, where I just got through adjusting it. And you can see me walking. So, guys, the camera is second to none, I promise you. I'll put a link for the camera in the description, because I know you're going to want this camera. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to drag it out any longer. I'm going to go get my butt in the bed. But I will say it took us less than an hour to run all 3 cameras, and that's drilling the holes, that's fishing the wires, and that's getting everything done, and pairing the cameras up. It only takes maybe 30 seconds per camera, if that. So the setup is really a no-brainer. But anyways, like I said, guys, I'm going to end this video, and tomorrow during the day, I'm going to make another video so you can see what the cameras look like during the day. But anyways, talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe my video.